Good morning, my name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will look at Diamond Dotz Wheat Fields by Van Gogh. I worked on this pattern in June of 2021. The project took me 2 weeks. Field kit shows Van Gogh's impressionist summer landscape of cypresses that he worked on in June of 1889. For a look at the real thing, visit the Met in New York City or visit their website. Let's look at the pattern. The Diamond Dotz intermediate pattern is 50 by 40 centimeters or 20 by 15 inches. It is a full round pattern with 30 colors that are matched to DMC colors. The Diamond Dotz pattern is sold in various places. Directly from Diamond Dotz, the kit is $29.99. I bought my kit on sale at Joann's for $20.99. Here's the Diamond Dotz kit on Amazon for $23.99. And I can see that several other Amazon sellers have it for between $23 and $40, with and without shipping. This is not the only diamond painting pattern of wheat fields with cypresses available. Michaels has two 40 by 50 centimeter kits, one from Make Market, $17.99, the other is found under Sparkly Selections, on sale for $30.39. Diamond Painting Hut offers its own kit in several sizes. The 50 by 35 centimeter kit is $42.95. Paint with Diamonds has a 45 by 60 centimeter kit for $54.99. Here is a completed kit on Etsy from Judy Springsteen Art. It is framed and ready to hang for $135. And there are more kits online. Was this fun? Yes. Yes, this was fun. Fields with Cypresses is one of my favorite Van Gogh paintings. I love the colors. 50 by 40 centimeter size was perfect to get all the details. The rendering is great on this pattern. There was just enough confetti to keep me interested. If you're not a fan of confetti, then this may not be for you. This is exactly the style of diamond painting that I love. Bright colors, confetti, and big enough to show all the details. I loved working on this pattern, and I may buy a different company's pattern just because I did enjoy this one so much. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects that you are interested in. Please like and subscribe and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.